Good afternoon and welcome to Thursday's Tips. Today's tip is, what are these little red things in the housing? These are what we call dust caps. So if you order a product and you do not add an option code for a blind plug, you're going to receive your unit with what we call a dust cap. These are installed in the electrical conduits of our product, and this goes for our product across the board with an electrical conduit. What this dust cap does, it's installed and it's going to guard the mating surface, and it's also going to protect the electrical ports and the components from contaminants, damage, electrical charge during the shipping and storage process. So keep in mind, dust caps are temporary and they are certainly not waterproof. So once you're ready for installation, please remove and replace with a watertight plug. Do not remove the cap and leave the conduit open. Otherwise, you might have an unwanted visitor such as the one in this photo. Thank you for watching Thursday's Tip. I'm Tonya Miller, and we look forward to seeing you soon.